Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to open Task Manager on Windows. So let's begin the video. There are multiple ways to open Task Manager. The fastest way to open Task Manager is just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard. Task Manager will instantly pop up. You can also right-click on Taskbar in Windows 10 to open the Task Manager. Simply right-click on the Taskbar and then from the list select Task Manager, and there it is. Another way to open the Task Manager is click on the Start menu and write Task Manager, and there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.